Module 5 looks at the ethical and legal issues associated with IT security, taking a big picture approach. We don't get into the nuts and bolts of security, that's for IT professionals. But we do look at the impacts of IT security on non-IT managers and how you can contribute to a more secure, reliable, and trustworthy experience for internal users and external customers. Module 5 is comprised of 3 chapters. Chapter 5, Corporate and IT Governance. Chapter 11, Cybercrime and IT Security. Chapter 12, Ethical, Legal, and Social Issues of IT. Each chapter contributes to our understanding of cybercrime and how to use IT governance mechanisms to reduce the potential for harm from nefarious agents. You cannot consider IT security, however, without thinking through the ethical, legal, and social issues of IT. While there may not be one answer, we will look at how to use reasoning to lead the organization toward ethical decision-making while also considering social impacts. Let's look a little more closely at each chapter. We will start with a definition of IT governance and an analysis of the primary goals of establishing IT governance. We will also look at frameworks to assist in designing IT governance in the organization, and will then analyze the importance of having plans in place to promote continuous and reliable computing services at your organization, even in light of potential threats, through a logical approach to business continuity planning. No matter what you do, you will likely find your organization the subject of an attack. It might be insiders or outsiders, and intent differs. We will examine how non-IT managers can contribute to secure, reliable, and available access to information assets upon demand. We will look at some of the computer exploits, realizing that it's impossible to protect from all threats. You minimize threats and strategically decide the best method of protecting your valuable information assets. We will look at how to assess risk as well as how to implement trustworthy computing for your stakeholders. We will end with a discussion of security policies that can help minimize the impact of threats when they appear. We conclude the module by looking at some of the ethical, legal, and social issues that IT and non-IT managers face today. We will look at ethics in the context of IT management, as well as some of the relevant laws that are in place in the U.S. We will examine privacy, or the lack thereof, in the context of individual privacy as well as workplace privacy. We continue by considering the various levels of internet access available across the world and compare those who have access to information with those who don't. Overall, these 3 chapters will help to understand a myriad of factors involved in securing your organization and yourself from threats faced in the online world.